I understand the math now, but I have to play devil's advocate again. Why does this actually matter? I get why understanding mimicry in the wild helps us understand evolution, but why does it matter to the scientific community if a pet leopard gecko in a glass tank in a living room burrows slightly more often in October? How does this impact broader global conservation?
It is a critical question, and the link is profound. It all comes down to captive breeding and species survival plans. Zoos, aquariums, and conservation centers around the world maintain captive populations of highly endangered reptiles as a hedge against extinction.
Okay.
If we do not understand the highly specific microhabitat needs of these animals, if we don't know that a specific species requires a slight drop in humidity and an increase in burrowing depth in October to trigger their reproductive cycle, they simply will not breed in captivity.
They will survive, but they won't reproduce.
Exactly. Healthy, natural behaviors in captivity, facilitated by the kind of data-driven husbandry Stroop advocates for, lead to physically healthier animals with lower cortisol levels. Low-stress animals engage in natural courtship and breeding.
If conservationists can reliably breed endangered reptiles in captivity because they finally understand their behavioral profiles, they can build viable populations for future reintroduction into the wild.
Furthermore, a robust understanding of captive breeding severely reduces the demand that drives the illegal poaching of wild reptiles for the exotic pet trade.
So understanding Joanna, the gecko's specific humidity preferences in a living room, could literally form the data foundation needed to save a critically endangered lizard species from total extinction in the wild. That is an incredible scale of impact.
It shows how every single data point, no matter how small it seems inside a terrarium, scales up to inform global conservation strategies.